Instant Courier Rates, your urgent and time-sensitive package delivery solution provider. In manufacturing, timing is everything. A single delay in critical component deliveries can disrupt production schedules, increase costs, and hurt customer satisfaction. Manufacturers face a constant battle to keep operations running smoothly. Delays, inefficiencies, and lack of visibility in deliveries often lead to costly setbacks. But what if there was a way to streamline your deliveries and keep your production schedules on track? That's where our SaaS courier management solution comes in. Designed to simplify just-in-time deliveries, it gives you complete control over your supply chain logistics. Here's how we make supply chain optimization easy. 1. Real-time tracking. Always know where your critical components are and when they'll arrive. 2. AI-powered route. Optimization. Reduce delivery times and avoid delays with intelligent routing. 3. Data analytics. Get insights to identify bottlenecks and improve efficiency over time. With these tools, you can eliminate guesswork and ensure your production lines never stop. Our clients in manufacturing have reported incredible results: fewer delays, reduced costs, and improved customer satisfaction. When timing is everything, having the right tools makes all the difference. Ready to take your supply chain to the next level? Click the link in the description to learn more about our SaaS courier management solution. Let's make supply chain optimization simple and effective. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on smarter logistics and manufacturing innovations. Go to instantcourierrates.com for free quotes on your next delivery.